Is this heaven?
Is this heaven?
No, it's Iowa.
People will come, Ray. They'll come to Iowa for reasons they can't even fathom. They'll turn up your driveway, not knowing for sure why they're doing it. They'll arrive at your door as innocent as children, longing for the past. Of course, we won't mind if you look around, you'll say. It's only $20 per person. They'll pass over the money without even thinking about it. For it is money they have and peace they like.
Welcome to the Field of Dreams. This is where they filmed the movie with Kevin Costner. And this is located just outside of Dyersville, Iowa. And as you walk in, you obviously saw the field there to your left. Some pretty interesting little displays about the history of the field. And then just right behind that is the house, which they filmed the movie. This was Ray's house, him and his family. You can take tours of the house. I did not on this day, was not able to fit it into my schedule, but I think every couple hours they do tours. And this is a terrific gift shop. As you walk in, you'll see some of the movie's most famous lines. And then you'll see the big speech that the character James Earl Jones gave. But yeah, it's a really nice gift shop. Got me a couple of t-shirts on this day, and they always have the movie playing. So that's the other things besides the field, but let's go check out the field.
They'll walk out to the bleachers, sit in shirt sleeves on a perfect afternoon. They'll find they have reserved seats somewhere along one of the baselines, where they sat when they were children and cheered their heroes. And they'll watch the game, and it'll be as if they'd dipped themselves in magic waters. The memories will be so thick, they'll have to brush them away from their faces. America has rolled by like an army of steamrollers. It's been erased like a blackboard, rebuilt and erased again. But baseball has marked the time. This field, this game, is a part of our past, Ray. It reminds us of all that once was good, and it could be again.
And this is a really kind of special place to visit. You know, obviously it's about a movie, a place that was, filmed for a movie, but it has so many, real life connections. And for me, playing catch with my dad was a thing I looked forward to after dinner almost every night. And I'm sure there were times where he was tired and didn't want to do it. And, as a kid, you're full of energy. And I just remember that, and so watching that movie when he's playing catch with his dad, it really, when you're watching the movie, it's kind of a special thing to think about with you and your dad or whoever, that movie might connect you with. And then coming here and actually having a catch with someone, a stranger who was here and didn't have anyone to play catch with either. The only thing better, could have been playing catch with my dad. And but this was a really cool place to visit. There's families coming all the time, and just kind of sitting here having an enjoyable day. I could spend the entire day here. But really cool. Definitely, if you've seen the movie, if you have any kind of connection with the movie, this is a unique place to visit. Highly recommended. Really enjoyable morning, even though it's cold and windy. It doesn't take anything away from how cool the Field of Dreams is.